behalf of Brandy, Madison, and all of the Sea Lions here at Ocean Adventure, we would like to thank you all very much for joining us this morning. But before you go, please join our Sea Lions in a salute. Everybody! Salute to the Sea Lion Marine Patrol. They are working very hard to protect our precious marine resources. So please everyone, do your part to help. Once again, maraming salamat po.
Yay! Bye! Masipag itong isa, no?